Sister Joycelyn, over London, good morning. Dickness and Queer Boachawa. And our elder OB. Maybe a floor member. What's the elder Joe?
Elder dear, one know your dear man, and I mean, say no. I saw in when your answer when you push me, maybe.
Ade, we are the answer.
Besides, I will be so a dancer doing ya. A 1 year maybe, I can't dear come home. Ain't see a break. They say, dear, may a floor member me no mean. Ye mean, we say, cried and quatra, wow, Bob Bansa. Who started free? Gungro, no started free, gingring.
Number pentu.
Okay, bambuno.
And I'm board drums, cacra. And I'm sure busy boy, but I'm refi.
Okay.
And I'm recruiting me lead the cacra. A debate 3 weeks, not do a chairman and kai. And I say, how could you?
Who be free moon, ya dear.
The drums now.
Okay. No, not about drums.
One movie could I push in
your convention, elder being the drums, bono, banner, 100 over sticks.
Nadia Mano,
Papa Pacho.
I'm going to say, Kitwana, Jenna Hombon, and your friends, a boy, Kunkano, and them nimbo. Kunkano.
To say the in the Madibo, that's why I held that. Senior, my soldier, China,
they are frafra. Na Gabito himself for say Ghana Hampire per cash or more what terms say. Who's a soft on a be what terms? Or bompire no.
Brofo, and there's a bed Duncan.
Oh dear, my there be, oh dear, me kind, pie new yabe your boy. Anything in the womb of time that will implicate the president in any shape or form be interrupted, arrested, and held at ransom by divine authority.
Archbishop Duncan Williams.
Nicholas Caron.
He hasn't run your ito or no. They say, a dear be a better president, no. A dear be a my president into me and a Juma no. Ya arrested no. Ya
by divine authority.
Exactly. Oh, Jai, terms of will be
divine authority not to her.
And I change this, you know. And I must see the course speed, you know. And see, Enra, near sea and near Binu, Enra, see a soft work who could damn ye won't make him more, but I shall see I know the one cat and any abobos on a capito. Crusading guide in me. Now, also for who's been penny titch. And a finance minister near. And I was so for Duncan Williams, Williams, on Sunny. Na Pastor Mensa Otabel, Okobi, I saw for Kukudam Nina Kobi. 81 for ye na better, and yes, won't call yeno. And was a brush and said, what's so bomb pie more my Ghana, into a my baby bomb pie. And pie nibble for was so for Duncan Williams, he told one
kind your mommy.
Was him. He prayed that anything in the womb of time that will implicate the president in any shape or form, do another voice in what him
be interrupted,
arrested, and held at
ransom
by divine authority.
By divine authority.
Amen. It's in
Honorable Benito Owusubio Asante Krachi, Deputy Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning, Captain. With you. Morning be na mo to say.
Nyame adom ye ho ya kra na so e.
Yankopon adaroma ye ho ye.
Baby ye be si National Cathedral na dan na e wo ho na ye be dwure gu no wo mo ye adwuma officially. Ye te sa mo tro krata ma mo ho be July ho baby e yampa.
Oh, Captain. Ye die wa onim say aban adwuma ene ye. So what you say? And ye die no krese ye hwe aban asase enyina eso ye hwe so emma eye omampani the president of the Republic of Ghana when him say ɛne nyinaa no yɛn Ghanafoɔ by a constitution yɛde ahyɛ ne nsa ɛna ɔno nso so ɛde saa tumi no ama yɛn nti ne tumi no bi ɛno waporone ho kakra ɛde ama yɛn a yɛde yɛ adwuma nti ɛyɛ nokorɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ɛhɔ no yɛne ɛyɛ judiciaryfoɔ ɛdi nkita ho kakra ɛfa ho
nti mpatwɔ kita ho na mudi yɛ na akɔsi sɛn da bɛn paa na ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo tu firi hɔ
mɛsrɛ wo ɛyɛ sɛ da bɛn paa na wɔ sɛ ɔmo tu firi hɔ no deɛ saa decision no deɛ ne nyinaa no na ɛgyina ɛyɛ judiciaryfoɔ so wa wonim sɛ ɛyɛ yɛbɛka ne sɛ ɛyɛ deɛ an independent organ of state nti yɛntumi ɛmfa yɛ ɛhyɛ ɛnkosi ɔmo so nti no deɛ na ɛgyina ɛyɛ ɔmo a so but captain no kura wɔ mu ne sɛ nam sɛ ɛyɛ judges no na bɛnum ɛnɛte mo yɛkasa yi ɛnan ɛtu dadaada wo a wɔ mu a ɛpɛ so ɛna ɔmo de firi ɛhɔ no menim sɛ asat ɛyɛ last weekend na ɛyɛ baako pɛ na aka wɔ hɔ ɔmo aka no deɛ ɔmo atu a ɛyɛ judiciary service ɛyɛ almost estate management department ɛna ɛhwɛ ɛyɛ nɛboa wɔn ɛma ɛde ɛyɛ ma wɔn timi efiri hɔnom ɛkɔ ɛyɛ new places a wɔn arenti ama wɔn a wɔn akɔtena mu.
Okay, what do you
there isn't any problem bia on that part. Why?
Passport office dan ne sɛ ka ho. Head office hɔ.
Passport office dan account. Passport office no foreign affairs ministry omo edia because wa wonim say passport office echewumase na omo no so na omo ano pra no omo ewo plans bi dada say passport office no omo ebe relocate enti eno no we eba no na chese ni omosusu eji cha enkomo no ahwe how and when they will do that but omo no wa wonim say passport delivery no is very important ema oman no nunti omosusu enya dia ye de pressure bia to omoso because they would need to be relocated settled before ansana sebio what me aka say omo free ho enti omo no de ene de eno so at omo own pace
now relocate akwahin
foreign affairs for omo wo locations bia omo na omo hwe ho say omo betimi a develop bi na say de be ya omo de passport office ne be ko ho say baby we nye baby e woni per se but wo hwe structure no kura omo na captains wako ho no na anya na mu obehun say as I would say it's not a place befitting the passport office. It's important say you see a befitting structure say jumana umoya.
Na yenye hu baby poten do omo kwa na so mo facility bi afa ne be develop na say passport office relocate wo mo backlog e so mo print depending be super passport ni bi dada da benda
mesel passport no nobody has stopped them from working so a passport office and ya ye ka say omugusu omoyo majuma enye passport office ne per se na ye kura ye ni omodili ye ni passport office staff bi ye ni nkomo Ministry of Foreign Affairs ewo oversight responsibility over them and ye ni omo edi nkomo nti mesre say obi anfa pressure bi ankoto omo so and omo oversight ministry no and be determine sa nhihye no nti mesre mu ara
enti da benda na wo mo nhihye mu se mo betimi a clear ho awie
ye de ye beka ne se ye nyaaya na nke ne kura na nka arrangement na sipi na nka omo afiri ho na wa wonim America kra was America kra ebem ye ka say ye na agitum se ye area ho no empokura no enye we nko amo na wo ho enye de obubo ye nko an na wo de bi ti se ye scholarship secretariat almost so senka kra almost so nya ba bi na omoko but area no Martin sem bebre nkofo bebre aka wo masem obia ye entitled to my opinion na kakra wo mun se designer na yenya ye Ghana ni yenya no so obeya ade ya maye no captain William Nimsu akọ Washington DC da Washington DC sebio wonam ho na wo hu African American Museum na what designing na the location alone of Sadia no kurano who ane wani achi and so you be a wako no da there's no way I will be to make us away who dying ebia wani bo so but wunim say ya no nti and ebia wo be us well it's important to say ye wo area bia ye na gitum say ehɔ no mo ceremonial enclave so tourist kura ba ya in one locality nam form ni ekwa ni ura sana was design no etie enti that was the concept na ono de ba ya but say nipa ni bi si yemfa nko etie aden na asase da ba bi yemfa nko ebi si traffic ni ade so ebeba ho where ceremonial enclave ni ade do time bi kura na area bi kura timi ye na pedestrian only oko Washington morning kura kesi ya so areas no timi dan na pedestrian only adintia because omo gitum se enipa ni bebre enam fom enam honum enti wo park wo ba bia no aba car parks can be created for that na die hia ni se ni na wo one area na Ghana so yesu anya bibi sa ahwe ba bia yisi independence akiwe na here old castle na here national theatre na here conference center here parliament na cathedral yesu eben ho ba bia na from Jubilee House ya fasa side winna it means Ghana yeso Accra the national capital no yeso ye de no yeso ye ceremonial area no na wotam na de kosi baby tente antia yes ya de ne kama de so ye wi no tire utukwan no wakọ no eno de ono no a ono ye ni design no feel say eno no emwa afesu mi ere mfi say ye kase ya empuna no ho no there is another redevelopment koso ewo ho ye fe no Marine Drive sa design so ye nipa ya so na eboa a design concept no said ansa na nkofo abeba into it na omasisi no man make sure say it's a well planned area na the almost no conform to area but there will be a flow of design and building structures come from Marine Drive na ponano na eba towards ministries wo inti enna ono if you say ebe hia say no so ebe ka ho bi na de na ebe ka saw adachi ogidie say ye na enki ni boso ni ye hu say atima bamu a obi ebe ka say we ni ye ka ho asemi inti we de ebe sere say opradie ya obre
Honorable ehono ensadodo for National Cathedral
bio ono ni na ya busano na what say insha for that purpose because ono when design and ono actually space a wohia na space no idea saa space no ebetumi a contain the design na oye no na opese eye edan no anim no flow no eye yemfa ne se eye courtyard no emfesi won parliament park na ba bia ye no won ba bia parliament yi parking space ya ye state funerals ni state functions just na nimu no any flow no be face towards that inti hoyina no na tese hoyina be ka as a courtyard of a cathedral no ne parliament no inti just ujina ho no ma wo hu cathedral say si ho no kakaka now you walk towards it so
okay enti
what I know on sabon kumusu a wo say parliament house no so si ho no kakaka you walk towards it what tisu so a conference center and just walk you walk towards it. Sana opesa no okay well
na yenim say bianca 5,000 you benya space bi sonanka I 7,000 because you pen intem national cathedral dey here intem
say here intem na wakotua wo dey contribution
omunya hyaase omuhyase amede dey beko
yegina ebetua bi
omuya fundraising nko ade discan beko no yes ho
you trustees no o ma hyaase ehia na omode you know ebetu yegina yanim na tese ya hu hawa ya fundraising na yegina be na ba bia yegina ebekwa akutua yisika na no metekura se yase obi kura de wa donate $2 million and so say me money dey material me me gire say na de hia no say no so per say tell you ono so na tighter otua no be so otua no emu de ho no ma etia tighter che enti ya ri esi ni na ye be keka bom nanka ya de akọ support cathedral no na asem ho no
cement de begu concrete di kan so me na meto
ni budget dodo
ya jenentem ho national cathedral ya jenentem why yesra mo anti mo yan chance yentem why
da se wo so che nkran why ani na damase
yentem pa ya da se honorable
mesme damase pa
de mebu sa inasa
ayo
ye sheku ma se
makase ye wo aboku ezi ekuru mo yo
Arab say de obi a bomb so ma ba hwe mu ina mo de munya boten kakaka
okay you
that's so for obi a bomb so bo ko hwe obi a che
enti kwa be fa so enye scan ne say
eje be contribute
contributions I see
me $100 of cement already so pam fam bra mo chira
okay obema $100
medical 100
okay
na say 100 3,000 and you be as and every month be across 3,000 sir you see we are one yeah national cathedral
location one na mo pen
yeah
location one na
we be see am you national cathedral simple
okay I see
no captain ma menchia na menchia for me visit na also be must 100
100 first
maybe me no
100
at least you $200 to start with and you about 3,000 you bet
me
me konsu am me so bucket me so bokiti me konsu am
okay scan de beton so ni fabra
me nka se me tonsu me se me konsu
na se so ro ko he
oh nchemu wa ba bia wo bia no mabubi
dabi oyeto
Captain me feel say discussions now cost about the cathedral no e say Ghana for Sisia no say interest about in national issues and they identity be say ba amount for the etumi e kire wona dwen me feel say so far discussion has center around assassinate ye basic cathedral no kakra bi nipa kakra bi na aka say enye project here kra e bi say here enwo say ye an argument for another day but and then no at least around this table no the nyina ejetum say a project e was say den ye was say timi eba so venue no and akwakoye problem and two say eye no kre say aban sika bia any project nim because for now they have to
assassin
absolutely
and assassin sanke ye ton a
ankenyeska
keto aban ya de
yes but I won't say na ehia say aban ho ebewum because what the president can at the launch now okay say the new structure inspired by the concept of unity, harmony and spirituality will sit on 14 acres of gardens near the Osu Cemetery in Accra, and it will be a gathering place for people of all faiths. I'll say the cathedral will address the missing link in our nation's architecture. By providing a church of national purpose.
National purpose.
Yeah, national purpose.
And the only
and for this church, yes, baby, I'm letting you say it will address the missing link in our nation's architecture. Or say it will be an interdenominational house of worship and prayer, as well as serve as the venue for formal state occasions of a religious nature, such as presidential inaugurations, state funerals, and national Thanksgiving services.
Simple.
And because of waiting, I was so mining so you get it. The Ebema may a bit difficult. Some say Sikabia, even after assassin, says Sikabian sign come ne say. Maybe free say Osanka Omujai Emma Board of Trustees, no. E kasa e fasade we e ho. Say omoa na yede ahya won sa. Say design no, omonyi design into apart from design no, omonhwe raise fund for the construction. Now after the construction, almost the manage National Cathedral, no, but NS as a government people kasa defend this idea and they create impression be say now the man is carry dey kwakosi sadia na and every man for question say oh then any priority emfa or man
me say your man sick a community problem
but obi
because you be state funeral and say your man sick and this year me say na
no I don't know a man for be argue say meba say your man sick and the AC because he be straight funeral e wo ho say National Cathedral ni won the state funeral
they tell you na say
because a ban is hana then it will compete with other needs
senior they hear you na say
yes
Ghana ni omaya ye ni National Cathedral
Ghana ni omaya ye ni National Cathedral
e wo ye nya fam ha
West Africa how be on.
Yeah, West of Africa. Alata omubi. Just that some patches say and so they want to expand it to 10,000 capacity. Ivory Coast, Ewubi.
Yes.
Mali, Ewubi. Mali crowd one national mosque, national cathedral. Yen yedibi.
At least for now, your national mosque is
almost yeri. Assassin yedema Muslim for free.
Into that way, the case of what they are
compensation of Rollins Park or whatever. The point is that you hear National Cathedral. Say you be a problem with location now, fine. You can have a problem with the location and go for say traffic. Any idea about or maybe a crowd traffic in this Kenya.
Unim greater estates for would we na men come more margin or modi aba fa adewe.
Yensi. SSC yes because they have in say. A toda ye presidential inauguration now. Me share Independence Square where AMBBO. Even the security is not complete. And a car, a war presidential inauguration security in Kuano. See a National Cathedral that cost a beco from. And here number one. Number two, as on my ye ni baby a ye betimia kase. President Tone Safre national program B. Now President Tone Safre all kind of persons across the country. Yebenya baby amoma convergence so ta omumfa ho wi aba omumfa ye ni bi
a conference center.
Oh, ohina ye say afedi ba say
4 kababe 1,005.
Then omaya ye what 30 million people. Now ye baby the whole nation bet me converge ye do 2,000. It's a disgrace to Ghana.
No, Captain,
Papa so all design there no. Or internationally acclaimed architect.
Ghana ni.
Hey, Antonio Boise, no design ne kama. Ni nkukuru fancy ho wam.
Kati obi anyi echinye se yensi dan no. Location is a wutie developers a omunim kwan ye fa so dan baabi e wo se sia ne omo kan se. Emfimfini hwa ye di kosi ye osu ho no mu yi. E hwa akire so dada.
Awo den ho.
say basa ye independence o say den ye traffic kwan ya yetutum ene se ne nipa ho si kire won ansa na omadum finfini ho no
Paris ko hwa ho
enti say ye ntoto ya ye se asase legon achi ho asase da ho nyantan
ye fa ko
legon achi
abanya sase yes abanya sase no enye school na sase wutie omo a omunim sase ni we no a ne omo kan say kire ho ba bi abanya sase wo
legon
menka se legon school mo se legon achi yesi abansa asigu ho
na hima
ya wo ba bi fofure betumi aye no a eno kra na be development akoho hwe kati ma memfa Pentecost yiye omoye no nyanya no ho no mu gomu afete ho nya example wa bra na Pentecost wo koye sa ade no wo ho no na udu ho kra umpem ye to asase ma wo kra wo nto ene kohwe ho no
na Pentecost wa asase wo so na so fancy ho
ene kohwe ho no mo so omuni bi omode ko ama development aba ho
there be Pentecost ye ni asase wo su
enti ye ni bi ade ko ho say development aba ho
e wo wiase bia no ye wo demarcated area serious national programs ho ne ye say ho ba chiu America ye presidential inauguration umusi kwan because of traffic enti ye ma invitation na woni car pass onko Oko Paris the same thing. Oko Holland the same thing. Traffic no SSA ba. Na yehu say na
Mimpo captain.
But me ba okay. Yeah, presidential inauguration. Say ye ma car passer. Untimi park. Time ye the president bi esiso a ye hukuma say ye di ahemfo anim no mba no. Ye park wo parliament. Na ahemfo mu ya. Say ye kuma say anka ye ma ne ntwa sa akwan no. Na onam fom. Because Okano, young say be Bruce Beyan, Roya Mahinity, there be see nothing. Sadia Bayano. Traffic in the Beba, ye per se back on now, ye,
the area in question, I can, me free say, and ye baby in poor, and what say allow me a residential area. Because I will share State House, or they about rage round about now. Because of how our area na kwakwa the Parliament House wo State House building Nankasa wo International Conference Center wo sa area no was say a giant emmanuel ceremonial area monuments in the residences na wo really I was say
aban no was sika kra ka wo a omo wo adan private residence say the menu kan e what that area ni nyina no e say it me relocate wo Sabine was
in developing new areas.
And yes, I mean developing new areas.
Areas will be developed by way who say I was our share
regional offices
the because I just had there we better say say because what is a discussion about say Parliament House Dina Kasakra dada. It was say sifufro. It is about sifufro. Can you, for example, go put Parliament House? I was say in Sawemechiro baby because also developing that area so empty. It was say. I was say you situated discussions. Near share the kind of building I can want them. Any other building fine, but for a national cathedral, any Juma a bit dino. But you say location.
I don't come. Me $100 now red wine. Most start appeal nature number budget.
Christopher Nkwan
there be say for all religious purposes. Say you inaugurated president, national Imam Kobi.
Yeah, but beyond inauguration of the president, Neomane a national in character, no, a dining purposely the Christian building. That point should be made clear because Enram is secretary to the board of trustees.
Or can't
say a 70% of your population a Christopher target no but of course you best also use for other
society yes you what national mosque what I say there were kakrani kwanya nam so e ma take for this $7 million ne ba here and so nam rolling spark nti aban this asas no e compensate here here aban tu sika wo national mosque ni aban ho wo mu
the Benya national traditional
would end up Prophet Ebenezer Lovelace Arthur or Agape Restoration Ministries. So Penny, praise God.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Oh, Namia don't who yet and who didn't crash and bongres tie. Who did papa. But I saw money in Obia who ye.
Yes, Adom, Yegusuga Kaka, and Opeka, I sorry down.
Oh, okay. Moya sorry, my number, sorry.
Yeah, sorry, yeah, Juma. Construction because of Kakra.
Okay. Maminka sent me on page 2 of Daily page 3. Religious leaders have reached a consensus with the government on the need for churches and other religious bodies to pay taxes on their income-generating ventures. That was the outcome of a meeting between the religious leaders, including Muslims and Christians, and President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo at the Jubilee House in Accra yesterday. The meeting was held behind closed doors. But speaking to the presidential press corps after the meeting, the religious leaders said after their interactions with the president, they had now understood the rationale behind the calls for religious organizations to pay taxes on their income-generating ventures. Among other issues, the meeting focused on the taxation of the commercial activities of religious bodies and the double-track system for the free senior high school policy. The leaders from the Catholic Bishop Conference, the Ghana Pentecostal and then Charismatic Council, the National Charismatic and Christian Churches, the Christian Council of Ghana, the Council of Independent Churches, a representative of the National Chief Imam, and some Muslim leaders. According to the leaders, they believe that existing laws must be applied on taxation, while every effort should be made to ensure that all Ghanaian children have the best education. They commended the president for his decision to implement the double-track system to provide more opportunities for graduates of junior high schools to further their education. Now on taxes. Yasi bibia moya edem faso ban biade in trouble on to so tax kakra.
Captain Pacho me chemo chief one power. Na said their last me no di kan kai no. Me catch us the pain of taxes is not the issue. But the way they went about it, so okay, last 2 weeks, we need to be very strict on or straightforward. What are we taxing the churches on? They said they can them answer number one. If the authority is school, definitely it's a profit-making venture. Don't forget the church is a non-profit organization. So many of the taxes. They said I can't pay about like you got iron rods, captain. It's your taxes on it. We are not running a business. You got iron rod and ya meton. You to iron rod and if a church is running a business, it's as mechanic, and I don't want to be specifics here and there. That's why I'm generalizing. I'm using school. There are other things that are going on. There are churches that run restaurants, and when you go to the restaurant, VAT has given them certificate, said they are paying VAT. There are churches that are doing other things. So we will not say as for the taxes. So I'm sorry, I say, yes, starting as sorry, we must pay taxes on them. I'm not saying we shouldn't pay tax, but they must be specific on what exactly are they talking about. And if they don't do that, it's going to be a very hectic thing. It's going to be back and forth. Now, I say the church is against the state, but the church can never be against the state. That's my opinion. So whatever they want to say and whatever they are doing, we are in favor of it. But they must be specific. You find say Obi Akoto, my example, Captain. Obi Akoto Apple. Nippon so koto Apple no. Or taxes also. And all tongue Apple no. So how are you going to quantify that?
And your value added though.
Meaning value added tax on what the person bought. But this year, Nippon tongue Apple no. Sorry, them more no more. Obey then when we say Nippon Apple, we say na all tongue, say. As a sum and there should be a consultative stakeholders meeting. Then we all sit on a round table. Then we discuss it thoroughly.
So for what time baby was saw them man?
Me ton she da. And I mean ton she so da. Calendar the check.
I can't tell one sa kranka maybe so asem.
Calendar credit check. Calendar credit check. You see, Captain, when I like the way always you present yourself. Also, there are still a soft for Papa Ewo. You always say that. And I'm keep telling people, say, there are still remnants. It doesn't matter the charlatans among us. There are still remnants. And we are not going to do that. We will not sell anything. We are the watchmen of the state. And as a watchman, we must make sure that we contribute to the benefit of the state. Captain, Marimo example. Obi University entrance, Oniska, last week, we have to raise money and give to the person to go and pay. Yet, so there is no way that the church is also doing things on even undertone. So me, I am in favor of the tax. But Captain, Mumayen clear the air. What exactly? I listened to one bishop, Adom, Joy TV. I say, what do they want? What do they want to tax us, Captain?
But so for say, I'm funny, sir. Matthias, sorry, my coffee Borges olive oil. You turn 5 cities. But did not saw them who say, my bomb pay gusunti be turn 500 Ghana. I see a Joe tax.
So for a captain, they said they are working, and only see a business. Now it's out of the jurisdiction of a non-profit organization.
And on the tax, no.
How are you people going to tax the 5 and
the also we have various tax regimes or advanced nations now. Meaning the entire Ghana Revenue Authority. Basing on you will be from what tax buyers or who. America, Mpachomebo, you want Crawford, Adia, one more share taxes so much as Uncle Fonica to spy people. Tisanka multimedia has say, Ben one say, you see a pejuma, influence we be free baby, but near 4 be a drum her. Why do you say a friend Captain Smart or your morning show? But no, ye tax buyer. And you know, as a Ghana Revenue Authority, I adopted that strategy. Near your tax buyers were because one man churches for no. The answer will walk on why your hot is away about any. So for by in the name of Jesus, they say, and so no more. I mean, you can record. Now you want to say, oh, yeah, no, what on 5? What on 10? What on 20? Yeah, I see a calculating your tax. But so what bar for the years, I saw 90. I mean, nobody will come and tax that one.
That is what I'm saying. If we don't do that stakeholders meetings, and that's why I use the example of an apple. An apple. Nipan wakoto apple, no, and the person pay VAT and all those things. No, a balance of tobacco 50 cities, 100 cities. How is the GRA going to get their tax from what the person bought?
You have a calculated price, no?
Oh, and as the more saying yes, I'm telling you, we are in Ghana. More saying it's going to be a back and forth thing.
And you know, may I sure say what charismatic council no?
Oh, definitely.
Good. And you know, ideas now winning and farmer council no.
What I want the charismatic council and everybody in Ghana to understand is that, in my opinion, we must not be commercializing things in the churches. Now, if you do anything outside the non-profit organization thing, then you must pay tax on the thing you are doing. One, no. So, who a restaurant, as I say, ultimate etia. And if you come to area, we say the taxes now that will be done, and yes, you can be on so much do be out. Yes, the problem they say, me maka, and I continue saying, Captain tax is joke, that is where my issue has been. And that is where I want to sit with you on the studio and ask the government, not only MPP, but all the successive governments, what do we do with our taxes? They see, the reason why I am against this tax thing is because I don't see the tax. Captain, I live in Durban. My area, I'm a Timothy Moncler, 8 court place. Hear me. My area, a street, I'm ready by 2 men, no, 6 inches. I didn't think I make me walk on to 92nd gate. Now, quite a to let me to tax. Me busa will be anyone more cash. Me call car and for VAT. I have had an attack, but I mean, this job, Ukraine attack you, I mean, attacking me. Ukraine attack you, yet, we are political party, we are political party, but we must pay the taxes. Mummy for tax in Juma, Papa, let us see the evidence of the tax. Not that people are building houses, and I saw that people are building houses, and we don't have roads.
Well, fancy, it is because we have too many things for free. So
yes, anyway. But you see, Captain Abroad say you go school for free. We go school for free in abroad, but still we see improvement. The question is, something needs to be done. We need proper. Papaya, the tax system or this bay. me bomb pa yese enkoye 9-day wonder. That's my second point.
Mamenda was na yemre nti yemfansia. Ghana Revenue Authority na say omo buy omo adwuma yenim.
Yeah.
Na eso obi atua tax. Me say free senior high school, it must not be just free. So we buy your school, you must have a 10 number. Yema form of fele. So we parents we need 10 number. Obadin ko free. Just a 10 number. Anyway. 2 year senior, you have a 10 number.
That 10 number is
you state your occupation. Then you're going to say me a carpenter. Makasa. Oko kaso mo lazy o mo ntiase.
But so for no dear no dear. If you say points na we make here and say for more normal offering ne tight ne ade no and no be enti ma meje ho tax. But when mo ye business enti ene is wo beton bibi wa boso mpa yempo na wo beton a yes store bi wa sore nanim na ye nim say we ye commercial entity. It is a GRA4 babeje tax o muni baby on babeje tax ne wo. But say wo confuse obia say wa sorry dining inside na boso mpa ye ade 5 cedis may turn 500 Ghana and you think say or say a show ema we sad ye ne kwade. It doesn't work anyway because what are the value to the product? I don't know VAT e wo tax component.
Simple cry. Dr. Bishop George Ajimai Winners Chapel.
Yeah.
Happy birthday Accra. Happy birthday.
Where does say asofo na tiase? Omo share na asofo na tiase.
Won ko ye na tiase.
Sa
omo ko ye na ba fortunately
omo na edidwa ni bi wo.
O say
omo edidwa na bi anko bi.
Many omo edidwa na association omo from because we share groups e ko.
Dem omo ni association.
Omo ni association.
They were not represented. Because we groups are independent. Why churches association ekobi
and independent for no womo
then they were represented and
no
but SSS anet dia SSS asoro no emra na ye de register asoro no I think SSS registrar general sesano because when you register something as an NGO
yes
you can't take tax from them
amendment no.
That
is
Parliament ba yenya amendment so bi anko Supreme Court na nko fa se mi ama
so amendment no be done but say once we register as an NGO na say oh yeah commercial way in fact evisciate the fact that we register as an NGO
no ye criminal ye nche no
Indiana there when you register as an NGO na so when stay police for you wait to revoke you bet me
revoke police for nya adwuma nye ni ni acho
but so for ni raise another important point say taxes na ye de yeden and I think say eno ye one ade was aban enso adwen hu say manfo ni tua won taxes no also a responsibility because it doesn't make sense say all can say otua tax na ne dan anim e wo tema baby awo e ho nyina etutu it is an defeat the purpose of nipa ne tax a otua no they be aye ka say elsewhere amanfo yi won yem etua tax ne ade omu yi won yem because and ka to him say e ho no me kai say metna Aberdeen city center road no just say o ma hye say acha every quarter I was on baba hu bi and there's omoba etutu entutu you so we see yi the whole
surface no the
side for fogu omo de beku consistent into who twam wo ho tria tax I wouldn't say your tax money no ye bibi
unim ye to na ye tua no ho ye di tua niam mfaso nhye da ni so
say no nti na obi so tua na wo su no
wo 110 ministers but so come akatua bo mo say and also we free maternal health care.
Yes.
Obabi okrum ha bi anyim hospital. Yes, say free. Say ye adwuma na say ye adwuma I don't know. Health insurance one way or the other free. Because utua 225 Ghana cedis. That's how we are now who kai 1500.
Yes, that's the essence of insurance.
That na make no. We are now was abaje free senior high school account. We are near catch us a free compulsory basic education. No so free. Now your mass school and so free. And say you tax now would you know? Yeah, free. It's a matter amount. As I say a restructure, you free ni ye.
Yenya so mfa so.
Ni yenya so mfa so because entimi ma say me ne yemi ensen yenim say Ghana Revenue Authority nim say edi multimedia betwa ka boso me. Nti say calculate your income tax ni etwa ko. Ma me no ton koko ha na every morning bi onya 200 Ghana cedis. Wa bra me ye mark me 200 Ghana no. Ono ye yende.
No, but the point is that once I won't formalize your economy no, difficult to identify how ma.
You identify
na. And the wonim say we call Rwanda. Who could even kebab, yamau, receipt, and invoice, even kebab, because I formalized into yet may identify and that's why our policies be to say Ghana card, digital address. Those are the serious software of development. Serious nyoma. And was say you
identify that. Mami otoko Ghana Revenue Authority bas
no, but the point
is you identify that. You identify woman and laziness.
No, unim the challenge with the informal sector and the captain NSA say NA uko GR say omu database. Formal sector no met me actually multimedia or EIB those are captured, but the informal sector and the end my memo start to put the issues in perspective. Say share where maybe my ABY and Kumnamen per start and for money who the challenge at hand. Any wire I was say Timisha a formalized system no very very important.
So yes registration you almost say near registration and say yente ho hwe na ye de yenwie no na nka omachumi anya data ye betumi dia say adwuma ni nyina
number wo banko school free.
Enu
simple
suggestion wo pese o de ba
simple
so omunya o maje so mo de be ye
adwuma you must have a tin number and it's akwada na wie school now ko fill phone for free senior high school your tin number must show.
Captain starts in 2016 na taxable population just a year what tax bracket ni mo no na 4.5 million taxable population
out of 29
5 million.
Yes, 4.5 2016. Out of our 4.5 no non-tax paying population. Even though you name say nipa 4.5 na potentially also mutual tax, but out of no more na entry 3 million. Yeah, ni etria 1.5 million. In a country of 29 million, 1.5 per 2017, and a taxable population they jump about 6 million. Out of 6 million, no, yeah, ni etria tax paying population na 1.2 million. They are so cross 4.8 million and another non-tax. Out of 1.2 million in the tax 2017, no, 1 million were formal sector, 200,000 in informal sector, and we have a chunk of our population in the informal sector. 200,000.
200,000. At the same kind as a Ghana Revenue Authority, EFASO, friends saying, non-formal.
Yes.
I keep saying, me say laziness. If they really want to do the job, Ghana Revenue Authority can do it.
To fix Sadia way, no, formalize the system. Obia in your card, obia in your a unique address.
But formalizing and women 200,000. What we then
so for a no, set to say wako say makola. Or more shops any other do. Or money identifiable. Nipa no store. The store no ebia wa register DBA and yami no ye enterprise. Those guys know you can.
And yes, I registered into a former. May check. Obian be yeti krom ha yenim ba bia yekoto your friend say. Indomie.
No, and yes, stores need na registered though. Say waje shop on register.
No, we have to register. When you fast so onya sa 200,000 no.
On share on spread
it.
Na there be a move read the budget. I won't say bro for more can widen so agina baby agina. And no dey
widen ne ya ye tua dada no in the formal sector ne burden.
No. Almost wide almost ni omo can so mo chire omo say nipa enchia no. Anything that captain can so mo akwadro.
Me say wo mo ye lazy. Ghana Revenue Authority as an institution, nye nipa wo ho no as an institution, a lazy institution. Up until today, you need tax spies.
Kofinti so ye adwuma.
Esese by now, edu anadwo a wo work as wo dey.
Yeah, to say
you can just identify. You identify. You give the person just a number. Who could a laptop? What boni bibi agus. Why do you so? E chan bana say ade ni nsi ha. Oni ho what me capture no. de nya obesa kwasi bia bi foforo obekwa ko hu no akapcha no said the omo so munya 200,000 no omunja akwadworo no
abusha from me am so to na ya ntoa so na
ba mi koko he de bia hwa no to waton hwa efi 5 years am buy
otinifia ni odi
ja 5 years am buy me to koko hwa
no ticket o me no so twa ticket
ya ka tax papa
ticket so say
eti watra on fie no Ghana Revenue Authority bas do o mu jom to koko
Baba Captain, Sama me say, O corner Hona Ubusan say, how do you verify?
Oh,
that be very important because I know only Ghana card. What shows a dinner or catch on the end of it? Obeba the following day, Obeba a different day, match will be into the foundation and they say, yenya that Ghana card in place. Yenim Obia, Yenim Ghana, Nibia, we Ghana, ni Wudini, a Hana would those things are soft. No baby
tax evasion and farm identification. Uko Europe, people invade tax, but they have a well-structured identification system. But still, people invade tax. What they need to adopt is tax spies. Ghana Revenue Authority, I will keep saying they are lazy. They got to get up.
But how tax spy no? It's still a human interface.
No,
Nipa can be corrupted. Why Nigeria
what's I say?
Yes.
Supervision in Niwa. Nipa be corrupt 100%. Supervision will be corrupt 1%. That's a benefit.
abusha new crusading guide the bankata no captain ye to aso ha new crusading guide the bankata na na de to aso na sofo no akobọ mpa ye no awie na omuwie na omaje atum so mbetu atwe na wo bakata family ensa hono mo a aloteji kwose na de eto papa kwasi botwe wo benfo kwasi botwe anim se ni biri no atwam wo se biri bi atwam na nka abọ kwasi botwe na nkwada ho wo so sesei no wo bọ ni din no a ni omode kan no aye kwasi botwe report asa enti no
the man so ko report no mo nje
what's that report so kura man fa nya adwuma enti ne wo mu an se so ka so be contest bi obewe to wantra nche no mama amanko aloteji ko so de
no Benjamin no trankra ka se mi o and it's look when we are contesting you ebi no mo ho anya se or contest keke o person who said the next 4 years ebia na mahama kwa waton ho awie. But when we not him so
na papa kwesi botwe 4 years achibio
there be when we not him so mbelu so
to kwesi botwe on car so be contesting
was also what is
announce in the coming days
nti announcement no so man nya na
Joshua Labi kura say on your campaign kura no onim so belu so to Jo Mahama onim mana ka tell so
onim
me say Joshua Labi kura o ye adwuma pa o ye campaign pa no he will lose to Mahama
enye bi ne baben
but they all know that they are going to lose to Bahama. They know.
And the reality is different. On him so be winning, but the reality is be lose. It are two different.
Let's make catch now. Say we are say what? Yes. As a time na nkrofo contesting na do no. Na am say. Na am say. So contesting na do. You knew that I knew they were all going to lose. When we are contesting Bahama, they are all going to lose. They know they will lose. What was I say when you scared they want to just obi come papa me na car do that back bin the two NDC for aba no go 2 year back won't be 2% fasen ha
say so wo abehun to bi omo eto so mba to ama no
ya say come na kasa na do benyo over 90%
wo to abani bi
ka no me no ya kasa na do benyo over 90% wenya na do wenya wenya na ya to be
abanu ntu
back bin won't be 2%
untu bi
so la bi what the nima ya 0.95%
one untu bi gusita no kra so san ka hu
oh so there okay. What man's come on save you go for Benya Biadi. O man's come on person. That's a serious country and can monitor. Kofi Adams National Cancer and it's Kofi good morning.
Good morning.
Na Bibia Bokode.
Oh, Yamidia chair.
No. Weekend the original elections from Patrabe Basso.
Patrol you all the 10 regions in higher club. The regional conferences are here to be 24 on the region. So for the next 4 years, BBR IS indeed, many workers say the wings, that is, women's wing and youth wing, you know, at regional level. The minimum cry higher of elections no already. In there, many workers say central region mayor of Moody so ever whenever. Now, regional wings, a 4 and on my or Moody so far. Ashanti on Moody can hear on the 24th, and in Richie Eastern regions here on Moody, in Luana, Dakras here. In central region or Moody. Or more mark the Friday 31st. Now the last day of Moody on the 1st and first before our main conference because and Tibia
Manya challenge be what regions need be say be the court should be on a particular election and I say regional election in a manya challenge be sao baby.
Me pacho so far dear very difficult to say unless we in resolve an issue because yet strategies now which share to for these elections. There is no way there are structures in place, but unless Nipa na just on our court now no person or call, but so far that situation now at the regional level will be a court. At the constituency levels, however, you encounter some of the court challenges. And for 1 or 2 constituencies here, conference because of our court of NSEM, Kesena or Eastern region, from plain staff.
Jim FM.
Kede constituency, any one constituency, or Munya Court of NSEM, Sante region, so you 1 or 2 cases, but you result a hodiano. And Chebiano, there will be a conclusive message on that. If you cry one Abanokra halfway, I can't do branches now, or going to come towards Adom. As we speak now, ballot papers is locked at police station, and it shared that for the remaining branches in the Babeto or Mudiana, Yakan now.
Okay. It's a greater election be a normal deputy youth organizer no resource no man jantum.
Me pa tell you, data crowd with elections, deputies na and just youth new women in no jantum because a kwanya omofa for ye no enye kwanya nhihie na ye dey to about 2018 no e ka say omofa. Ni aye won she say constitution ne ka ye be yi ni pay bien 2 deputy youth organizers and 2 deputy women organizers. And instead, yet for elections, and so I can say, Ubi Biara or the conference. Or more, now, or when you now what ballot paper, who bet so any amount paper back. If we are, you're making kind, Ubia Naba or Nyaye. Near Lydia Dawes first. Near Otosu Ebienu. Or more and or more duly elected by conference as the 2 deputies. But yeah, by greater crown, near Omoye and say, Obi Biara or yet delegate, yeah, the ballot in the manner now are something to pay bien. Omoye and Omoye Mutali. Now, and yes, sir, and she share na yet the command for this year elections for executives. And the end, quite a money about. So you trust her if you they have not been duly elected. So you better that for the men down to region you said that for na election committee for no best show. The best move be from national APOSO supervises our election.
Okay then. Kofi Mayana was it. BBS Trebe Santo Safrel. Kofi Adams here, national organizer of the NDC. Asa.
And Sanyo. na make bibi say Gushitano say oba free senior high school no obe making it better o see bi mbo mbegu no on the oba wo be hyemu kena enti ne ode ba your person mo NDC for mo kwa mo nto aba no ma no ono na sem no no ena Spiogabra
sorry ni mo so obi mo bo mbegu no
enu a menka no brofa na nka ni twe o person ana person tene nzema mu
kan brofa me akodo e uko
da wi nka brofa bi am jwa mitumumwa wa say free senior high school ni ya David me nkita paper mama kama de free senior high school no ya nhyehyɛ wono wo tenchen wo hu sɛ ye wo se ye papa ye ka better programs aban yi dia ba ye one enti so obi he be wo so obehyemu kena no onu ni nipa as wo ba wo betumi asomu yie no wa better no enti NDC amanyoko no mo gini tum na Ghana fo so gini tum a na ni so ade hunu ni opeso obeye tia we no a
me so da na men kan kire what me chirem
sir
me bu sasem
finito
me so da na men kan kire what me chirem
ne no bi Ghanaian Times so the better so
Ghanaian Times no say okay, FIFA mandates normalization committee to run GFA and organize election. In the end round him say information minister designated a press conference and latest letter FIFA de abano or church mu or something to just say president and I say what Germany your more friend chancellor in the German chancellor Angela Merkel eba Ghana on a state visit any year and Oba na yan just say a 3-state tour into a Senegal, Nigeria and Ghana and German chancellor no eba any year so enyumre
ya remember Adom praise simple what's it Adom praise 19 Oba
okay German chancellor Angela Merkel
sir
so the party na Germany a Christian BBB party
no to nyum there
oh yanka so to nyum Adom praise 19 Oba so time ya no hu se no so nkoba last week o and o se there be o ma who say Adom praise ne pepepe
oh beto waye bi e wo German kasem alego
Gunten Morgan
so Adom praise 19 Oba
oh beto bi
the young is a president man akwaba
and I'm so on African tour maintain so African country
not that I
and
know.
na me hwehwe asa me hu say
Not that I know.
African country bia me hu say maintain I don't know
Not that I know.
but na me search ya me hu
But president so kwa China amate say enwumre so okọ China on a state visit e China in the end could you upon come the nyina to our press conference
it's not opeso chirem
ochiremu na mate say all konone 90 businessmen and age in a for business deals and negotiations in China.
Okay.
Can't you say
Vice President and Aunt Angela Bedinko how
no so a one-day visit to now
yes consolidated bank for so
idea Western leaders never omo nche ha ba ye kọ ho a obi we president betimi to coin 3 days 4 days state visit
when was
how does
when was Kenya wa kwesoro bia wa che ohia ni fie hoda ensi obekọ na wonte wes antese obi
ko pa che ontu hia
ukasa awa nti
we business community be share consolidated bank for so na omaji atuma mo se enokure se nipa 1700 no be yi omadi omo se enokure heritage na dia betu dwa se empanimfo bed or water bank na no se eniema wo so ototo ne nsacha ye wo so ye wo bank no mu no se bibia koye dia edan a nipa ni bibe kofie ebi so beka ho no mo na 1700 na aka so mbe admit
ombe yi nipa na de
so mbe yi bia de ebi be
ko me catch ujafu say
edan ye ebi be ko
me catch na say ECG Ghana water next year ebi no be ko fi
compact na wo mu say omunyi obi
we so e ba afoforo say yenyi obi adi
but Bank of Ghana governor ne kan
o say yenyi obi adi
okay so omunyi obi adi
rationalization no mo say branches no na on beto branches 171 so we can 191 so we can 5 banks ni na abomu a ba o mo teso ma na ba 120 branches
what do you say
nipa 1007
there be more besako
1,700.
We are papa kwem.
Oh, no, a staff strength of 3,700 in 1,007 air cabe 2,000. So okay, industry average now what bad.
Faseha. Say ana makacho say here. Next year consolidated Bama 500 sanko fee faseha.
Yeah, so you NDC for
unim one more digitized banking.
Yeah.
So we share our competitors now. GCB will be 1,000. 500 and something stuff.
And baby no baby. O me baby ready. Baby be coffee.
Kati yanyo obi an eninya obe communications director.
Matisa yeah. Visually impaired person.
Eye me nwanwa. Se besin ne. Ye ni plan ma workers na ye pamo no.
Enra me busa asa question no.
Enti wo ye adwuma wi a wo ni da so bia. Na say onko tena fie sa.
Package bia nka ho.
Ye ko kan so onko scale for scale ben ya. Afa no ko swa welding.
One is onko scale for. One no.
Onko swa welding na onko swa machine sesi ye. Onko kan say ko ye farming. Mami trata yi.
Saba se ba ko ton preko.